On number 3, it asks which of the following equations represents the line that is parallel to the line y equals 2x minus 3 and goes through the point 2, negative 1. So first of all, we have to remember that parallel lines have the same slope. This equation is written in what's called slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and the number in front of x is our slope. So our slope of the given line is 2, which means the slope of our line we're trying to find is also going to be 2. Since you know the slope and you know the point that you want it to go through, you're going to use what's called the point-slope form. And the point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So you're going to need to know that formula. So we can put our point in for the x1 and the y1 and our slope in for the m. So we're going to have y minus y1, which is a negative 1. Y minus negative 1 is the same thing as y plus 1. We're going to put 2 in for m, and then x minus x1, which is 2. You're wanting your answer in slope-intercept form. Those are the answer choices there, so we need to get solved for y. So the first thing I'm going to do is distribute the 2 to get rid of the parentheses, and I have y plus 1 equals 2x minus 4. So now I can solve for y by subtracting 1 from both sides, and I get y equals 2x minus 5. So that is choice D. Another way to get that answer, since you have multiple choice options, is simply to look for the equation that has a slope of 2, which in this case we have choice A and choice D, and then plug in your point for the x and y and see if it makes the equation true. So on choice A, if I put in negative 1 for y, because that's the y of my point, and I put in the 2 for the x, since that's the x coordinate, I don't get a true equation here, because 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3, and negative 1 is not equal to 3. So I know this is not the equation that gives that information that we're looking for. But on the one that we've chosen as the correct answer, if I put negative 1 in for y, and I put the 2 in for the x, it does make a true statement. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 5 is negative 1. So that's just another option of looking for the correct answer.